Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix contact poster not working after iOS 17 update. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open the Contacts app. After that, tap on Contact Photo and Poster. Make sure that you have turned on the name and photo sharing option. After that, tap on Share Automatically and select Contact. Only after that, try this next solution. Open Settings, scroll down, then tap on Phone. After that, tap on Show Caller ID. Ensure that the Show My Caller ID option is turned on. Now try to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often fix minor software bugs and glitches to help you resolve the issue. After restarting, check if your problem is fixed or not and try the last solution. Open Settings, scroll down. Now tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset. Then tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. After that, enter your passcode. After that, your contact poster not working issue will be solved. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.